Alright, now we all know that Samsung is discontinuing the Samsung messaging applications on Galaxy phones. They announced this a few months ago, and this was specifically for the US region, and rest of the globe may follow in the future. Now what if you love Samsung messaging app and you want to retain it on your Galaxy phone, especially if you are currently in the US region? Is that even possible? That is exactly what we are going to discuss in today's video. Now there are two scenarios. The first scenario is Samsung may discontinue shipping the Galaxy phones in the US with Samsung messaging application by default. The phones may feature only Google Messages. I believe that has already started happening in the US, and in rest of the countries you may see Samsung Messages still available on a brand new Galaxy phone. That might change in the future. Now if Samsung has already gotten rid of this application on your Galaxy phone, then you may be able to install it from the Galaxy Store. That is the first scenario. Second scenario is Samsung doesn't offer Samsung messaging application even on the Galaxy Store or Play Store. That is the problem. You will not find the application at all. Even if you want it, you will not be able to install it. In the first scenario, it's easy. If you don't see it on your phone, just install it from the Galaxy Store if you're seeing it there. And in the second scenario, if you don't even see it on the Galaxy Store, you will have to install it manually through an APK. And for that, you can get APK from apkmirror.com or any other reliable sources. Or what I can also do is I can leave a link for the APK for Samsung Messages in the description. And if you don't trust any of this, you can go ahead and extract your own APK in advance if you still have Samsung Messages on your phone. For that, what you need is just go to the Play Store and search for APK Extractor application. Just type APK Extractor and install any of them. I have already installed this APK Extractor application. You can see this is the one that I have. Just open the APK Extractor and here search for Samsung Messages. Tap on the three dot button and tap on extract. Now this APK is extracted. You can share it or you can save it on your phone. And then if at all Samsung removes this messaging application completely from your phone or from Galaxy Store, then you can use this APK to install it on your phone. And while installing the APK, make sure you turn off the auto blocker on the phone. You're installing your own extracted APK, so it is much more safer compared to any APKs that you find online. So that's how you can get it. Now, the second situation, if you already have Samsung Messages still available on your phone and it is showing up on the Galaxy Store, then this is what you need to do. Just go to Samsung Messages, press and hold on it, tap on eye icon, scroll down, go to app details in store. And now you will be able to see this three dot button. If the application is still on your Galaxy Store, tap on the three dot button and just uncheck auto update. Now the phone may not be able to auto update this application. Even if Samsung pushes an update to get rid of Samsung Messages, it may not get auto updated. This is another method, but not foolproof though. Even after doing this, you may lose Samsung Messages on your phone. So the best way to do it is just extract your own Samsung messaging APK and keep it with you. If you are unable to find the application on your Galaxy Store or Play Store, do go ahead and install this APK. And for this APK, you may not get any official update because Samsung may not be pushing any further updates to Samsung messaging application as they are not supporting it on the Galaxy phones anymore. Let me know if you have found any other way, especially if you're in the US region, you might not see this application on the phone, on the Galaxy Store or on Play Store. If you're not finding it, I will anyways leave an APK link in the description to go ahead and install Samsung Messages on your Galaxy phone. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our Volvus wallpaper application. There are some beautiful wallpaper collections, free and premium both. Do go ahead and check it out. We have also added the depth clock wallpapers. You are going to love them. The app link is in the description. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.